Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh dan salam sejahtera. Saya Ahmad dan Suhaimi dari kelas 5 Kreatif telah diberi tugasan untuk menerangkan tentang Cartesian Diver and how it works. So, Cartesian Diver ni saya rasa kita semua dah familiar lah kan, pernah tengok dekat dalam channel Astro TV IQ channel Astro tentang belajar sains dulu kan. So sebenarnya ni minat saya juga waktu saya kecil, walaupun saya tak faham apa-apa. So hari ni saya akan explain bagaimana ia berfungsi dan bagaimana submarine guna prinsip yang sama juga untuk float dan sink. So let's get right into it. So what is Cartesian Diver? Cartesian Diver or Cartesian Diver is a classic science experiment which demonstrates the principle of buoyancy and the ideal gas law. The first written description of this device is provided by Raffaello Maggiotti in his book Renitenza Certissima della Acqua alla Compressione, published in 1648. And this is the Cartesian Diver's diagram, as you can see in figure 2. The bulk things, I don't know what it's called, but the little things, it is floating, it doesn't sink. But in figure 3, it shows that the bottle is pressed and the bulk things sinks. So this is the usual diagram that people use to show this experiment. So how does the Cartesian Diver works? So as you can see in figure 2, the bulk things, it is filled with air, mostly air, meaning that the weight is not much. So when the weight is not much, it is less. When it is less than buoyant force, it goes upwards and it floats. But as soon as it floats, the weight must be equal to the buoyant force. But in figure 3, you can see the bulk things. The bottles of figure 3 is being pressed, and the pressure push the water to enter the bulk things and fill it with water. As it is filled with water, the weight is of course increases. As the weight increases, at some point the weight must be more than the buoyant force. As soon as the weight is more than the buoyant force, it sinks. It doesn't float, or it doesn't stay at the middle. So that's how the buoyant force and the weight affect the movement of the little things, the bulk things. And I'm gonna show you the procedures of this experiment by showing you the clips that I found in the internet. This principle is also used in the submarine. You can see in the picture in the left, you see the submarine use a tank that is filled with water. It allows the water to enter and to push out the water from the tank and fill it with air again to to make it float and sinks. You can see in the left picture, the tank is only filled with air, so the weight must be not much. It doesn't contain much weight, meaning that it floats. It goes upwards and it floats at some point when the weight is equal to buoyant force. But in the right picture, you can see the tank is being filled with water, and it goes downwards as the weight is it is more than the buoyant force. So yeah, that's how the submarine sinks and float.